What if I told you the future of clean energy might not be solar panels or wind turbines? What if I told you that invisible particles flying through your body right now could actually power the world? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me. Every second, billions of neutrinos, ghost-like particles from the universe, pass through us without us even noticing. Now imagine a generator that could capture just a fraction of that cosmic energy. Germany has been working on exactly this. A neutrino generator that could one day turn the invisible rain of particles into usable electricity. No fuel, no emissions, no noise, just endless power flowing straight from the universe. But wait, that's not the only game changer. In Africa, inventor Maxwell Chikumbutso has been developing sonic technology systems that claim to generate energy using radio frequencies and sound waves. If proven at scale, it could mean producing electricity without coal, oil, or even sunlight. Imagine power plants that hum like speakers, not smoke like chimneys. Now stop for a second and think about this. If neutrino and sonic tech really replaced all dirty energy, the world as we know it would flip overnight. No more burning fossil fuels. No more choking on smog. Countries that fight wars over oil? Suddenly powerless. Energy bills? Maybe gone forever. Entire industries would collapse, while new ones would rise. But here's the real question. Are we ready? Because technology this disruptive doesn't just change the game. It rewrites it. Energy companies, governments, even billion-dollar oil empires would resist. History shows us that every breakthrough from electricity to the internet faced pushback before changing everything. So, what if neutrino and sonic tech became the backbone of our energy future? Would humanity embrace it, or would the powerful cling to the old ways until it's too late? The universe is already sending us free energy. The question is, do we dare to catch it?